Abundance Stock Advisors. Let's make money.
Hello friends, welcome. Let's see how the markets will behave this week, events to watch and what should be approached. These 2 minutes may make a difference between profit and loss. We are on air, so stay tuned. So last week, the Nifty closed at 17287.05, registering a gain of 3.95% over previous week. The rally could be attributed to falling oil prices and hopes of the Ukraine-Russia war ending through ongoing peace talks. No surprises came from the US Fed, which announced a 25 basis point rate hike. FI buying after a long time boosted sentiments. This week, we are bullish on the markets, looking at the Nifty chart, which appears well poised to hit 17,600. Wow, good news. The only cause of volatility could be escalations in Ukraine versus Russia war and spike in COVID in China. Russia-Ukraine war that has entered into the 4th week now still remains a concern. The officials from both the countries have been doing rounds for peace talks, but there seems to be no resolution yet. Deposit and bank loan growth for the fortnight ended March 11 and foreign exchange reserves for the week ended March 18 will be released this week. Brent crude futures ended the week at $107.9 a barrel after hitting a 14-year high of around $139 a barrel. But the price remaining above $100 a barrel is still a concern for oil importing countries like India. All of a sudden, China has come into focus after fast rising COVID cases that resulted in lockdowns in several cities, which created fear that economic activity may be heavily impacted yet again. Now, the biggest good news is that FIs are back to their buying spree. Wow. FIs were net buyers for the second session on March 17 after consistent selling in the past 1 month. They net bought worth rupees 2,800 crores of shares on March 17. Though the FIs have remained net sellers worth rupees 41,600 crore in March, the buying last week has boosted sentiments. America's Vanguard Emerging Markets Stock Index Fund itself did buying worth rupees 2270 crore. All this is good news for our markets. Okay, let's have a technical view. The Nifty has formed a bullish candle on daily charts and a robust bullish candle on the weekly chart. It has given a closing way above its 200-day moving average, which is at around 70,000 levels, indicating positive bias. For now, we can say that Nifty has created a bottom at 15,700 levels, which will not be taken off easily. The Nifty has also come out of its falling channel created between 15,600 and 17,000 with a strong breakout. All these are signs that this week we will see a sharp positive momentum in the markets. We could see Nifty marching towards 17,800, 18,000 levels with a strong support being placed at 17,000 levels. The momentum will be well supported by India VIX, which closed the week at 22.61 and has seen a considerable fall in the last few days, helping the markets to get more stability. This is a very good sign for intraday traders as well. If the volatility drops below 20, the bulls can enjoy even more in coming sessions. Overall, we will have a good market this week. Thank you and happy investing. And we'll see you again next week.